Surah Al Balad, the city. The surah is Meccan, containing 1 section and 20 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
لا أقسم بهذا البلد
I swear by this city,
وأنت حل بهذا البلد
while you reside in this city,
ووالد وما ولد
and by the Father and by his progeny.
لقد خلقنا الإنسان في كبد
Indeed, we created mankind in hardship.
أيحسب أن لن يقدر عليه أحد
Does he think that none will ever have power over him?
يقول أهلكت مالا لبدا
He says, I have consumed abundant wealth.
أيحسب أن لم يره أحد
Does he think that no one has seen him?
ألم نجعل له عينين
Did we not make 2 eyes for him?
ولسانا وشفتين
And a tongue and 2 lips?
وهديناه النجدين
And we showed him 2 ways?
فلاقتحم العقبة
So why did he not unwaveringly transverse the steep path?
وما أدراك ما العقبة
And what do you know of the steep path?
فك رقبة
Freeing a neck, i.e. life.
أو إطعام في يوم ذي مسغبة
Or feeding on the day of hunger.
يتيما ذا مقربة
An orphan relative.
أو مسكينا ذا متربة
Or a destitute person covered in dust.
ثم كان من الذين آمنوا وتواصوا بالصبر وتواصوا بالمرحمة
Then for him to be among those who believed and advised patience to one another and emphasized compassion to each other.
أولئك أصحاب الميمنة
These are the people of the right.
والذين كفروا بآياتنا هم أصحاب المشأمة
And those who disbelieved in our verses, they are the people of the left.
عليهم نار مؤصدة
An enclosed fire will surround them.